Hello friends, greetings for the day. Myself Dr. Dev Jha, pediatric pulmonologist and intensivist, India. Today I am going to discuss in short about pneumothorax and pneumomediastinum, which every doctor should know because it becomes life-threatening condition sometimes, and life-saving measures should be applied immediately by a trained doctor. Pneumothorax is simply a collection of air in the pleural cavity surrounding the lung, and pneumomediastinum when air leaks into the mediastinum. So there are two types of pneumothorax: primary spontaneous pneumothorax and secondary spontaneous pneumothorax. In primary spontaneous pneumothorax, there is no underlying lung disease and spontaneously there is pneumothorax. In secondary spontaneous pneumothorax, there is underlying lung disease in the form of tuberculosis or cystic fibrosis, then there is development of pneumothorax. One term is tension pneumothorax. When in presence of pneumothorax there is hemodynamic instability with hypotension, it becomes emergency and it causes obstructive type of shock, and immediate the pressure should be released by chest tube insertion by an expert pediatric pulmonologist or a pediatric surgeon or intensivist, pediatric intensivist. So pneumothorax, pneumomediastinum, there is a Haman syndrome in which child was completely normal, but just after coughing or vomiting or maybe sometimes after defecation there is sudden rise in pressure, alveolar pressure. There is rupture of alveoli and air leaks through the interstitium and enters into the mediastinum and causes pneumomediastinum. Usually treatment in children suffering from pneumomediastinum is conservative as compared to the adult in which surgical intervention should be done. But in children, if you treat it conservatively, pneumomediastinum will resolve in 5 to 15 days, and most of the primary spontaneous pneumothorax can be treated conservatively and it may resolve spontaneously, but it may take 30 days to be resolved completely. And if you give 100% oxygen, there will be less time as compared to the no oxygen therapy. If you will give high concentration oxygen therapy, pneumothorax will be resolved in 1 week. So every doctor should be trained in putting the chest tube in case of emergency to save the life of a child or adult. To know more about these diseases conditions, respiratory diseases in children, please join fellowship program in pediatric pulmonology with bronchoscopy under Respiratory Foundation of India. Take care, be aware, thanks.